Okay, today I will be discussing about this matter about Cyber WordPress template, and it is on our part 3, modifying pages. So let's go ahead to the list of pages. So a quick review for the discussion about the menus and pages. So all of the pages that which has the dashed sign are the sub pages for each main page. The main page are home, all about cyber, cyber shield for positions, and additional info or resources. This means that all of the pages under it are its sub pages or the pages. These are the menus. So if we want to edit the first page of all about cyber, this will refer to this page, to page 1. So let's view this page on another tab. So the next page is this one, all about cyber. So to edit this page, you hover over the page 1, then click edit. This will redirect us to the edit page or the all about cyber page 1. So this is the title, and these are all the contents. So to add the new content, to add contents, you just type in anywhere on the content area. For example, then every time you make a change, you just press update. So let's hit refresh. There you can see the changes that we made. So that's all for the adding or modifying a page. Also, you must remember that the title for each of these sub pages should be in alphabetical or numerical order to follow the coding for the back and next. So that's all for the modifying of the pages. Next tutorial will be adding of new pages.